Today guys, gagawa tayo ng kakaibang vlog and nakatanggap tayo ng isang eSIM from Smart. This is their latest na offering. No? So this is for me very eco-friendly. Bakit? Dahil wala ka ng physical na SIM card na bibit-bitin, bibilhin, tatapunin. It's very environmental friendly. Dahil yung chip na yon, there contains may parang mukhang ginto, may plastic, pag tinapon mo, may basura ka na naman, kailangan mo i-recycle, and madalas nawawala, nananakaw or what. Itong eSIM is very, very helpful. Of course, not all device supports eSIM. There's only a couple of few from iPhone, from Huawei, from Samsung, from Xiaomi na nagsusupport ng eSIM. And probably I'll be linking on the description box below kung ano mga device nga ba ang support ng eSIM. But right now, bubuksan muna natin and ito-try natin sa aking iPhone 14 Plus. Let's go. Hi guys, ako pa ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Smart eSIM na prepaid. So buksan lang natin. Makapit So you can buy this from Lazada, from Shopee, and from online store ni Smart for 99 pesos. So, yeah, kita niyo. And, well, ano sabi na dito? What's an eSIM? So, it's very convenient to activate your eSIM, sabi na dito. And you can use multiple eSIM on one device. Pwedeng dalawa. And this time around, you can do your mobile transaction safely. Yeah, well, yan ang sabi niya. So, madali lang siya, no? So, papasok ka rin sa Giga Live, ilo-load mo, ilo-register mo to. And ito ang QR code na isa-scan ng iyong iPhone or other devices para ma-activate tong eSIM na ito. So, let's try. So, dito sa aking iPhone 14 Plus, papasok lang tayo sa settings. Then, papasok ka sa cellular. Set up cellular. Okay? So, magsa-search lang siya and sasabihin na sa'yo paano ka mag-set up. So, pwede ka mag-use ng QR code or pwede ka mag-transfer from another iPhone. But, of course, since this is new, QR code tayo. Yan. So, magsiscan siya ng QR code, no? Well, hindi mukha ko. Uy, ang bilis. Sabi na dito, activate eSIM. An eSIM from Smart is ready to be activated on this iPhone. Continue. I don't know what to expect. So, step by step, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano i-activate itong eSIM dito sa aking iPhone 14 Plus. So, this is for me, exploratory din. And would be really nice. Siyempre, kailangan mo mag-SIM registration after neto. Those are just minor problem na lang. But what's important is how to activate. Sabi na, cellular setup is complete. So, well, nakakuha na tayo ng signal, Yan, Smart. So, tama nga siya. Sinabi naman niya, pwede magdalawang eSIM. So, pwede ka pa mag-add ng eSIM dito, which is definitely good. So, sabi na dito, meron siyang promo. So, once you activated and registered ng SIM registry, may 5 gig kang data. And kung nag-download ka pa ng Giga Life app, meron kang 16 gig na data. So, that sums up to 21 gigs of data. So, imagine mo, bili ka ng 99 pesos, meron ka ng 25. Imagine, bili ka ng 99 pesos na eSIM, meron ka ng 21 gigs of data. So, that's, for me, a whole week of data. Not bad. So, yan guys, nakita nyo, nakatanggap tayo ng message dito from Smart. No, kasi wala pa siyang load initially, so kailangan mo mag-load. So basically 99, you're buying the eSIM and the number itself. So kailangan mo i-SIM reg mo na siya to get your free data and to sign up sa Giga Life app para mag-top up ng pangtawag and pang data as well. So for many of you, probably Giga Life app is very much easy and self-explanatory na siya. So basically, 99 pesos, binili mo ang eSIM and the number itself. So most likely sa ibang devices like mga Android, Huawei, Xiaomi, and Samsung, the same din ang process, just scan the QR code and So guys, if you find itong tutorial helpful on how to register your eSIM, give me a like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.